it feels like when you're a kid and you're just riding your bike with friends. Oh! Oh!
Chill.
We're going 70 miles an hour!
Dude, the neighbors are gonna hate us.
Should we turn around?
Yeah, unless you want to go on the main road, but we don't even got our helmet. We don't even have helmets.
No, f that.
Hey, what's up?
Now what, bro?
Now we turn around.
We turn around?
Yeah. Let's try to make it back up.
Oh, tight. Here we go. Yo, Jay, you open my face. Jay, what the is this angle? Yo, Jay, what the yeah, come on, the rock.